Ever felt a sudden urge to access your investment funds? Maybe a dream vacation popped up, or an unexpected expense landed on your doorstep. But what if your investment platform locks you in? Today, we're diving deep into Stashaway. Can you actually pull your money out whenever you need it? Stashaway is a popular investment platform, especially for beginners, offering automated investing and diversified portfolios. But flexibility is key, right? You don't want your hard-earned money trapped. So, let's cut to the chase. Yes, you can generally withdraw your money from Stashaway. Withdrawal methods. Now, how smooth this process is depends on a few factors. Firstly, the type of account you have. For example, your withdrawal options might differ slightly between a general investment account and a retirement account. Secondly, the withdrawal method you choose. Stashaway typically offers a few options. Partial withdrawals. You can usually withdraw a portion of your investment without selling off your entire portfolio. This is handy if you need a smaller sum. Full withdrawals. If you're planning to exit your investments completely, Stashaway usually provides a clear process for this as well. Systematic withdrawal plans, SWPs. This option allows you to automate regular withdrawals, which can be helpful for generating income or covering recurring expenses. Important considerations. Now, while withdrawals are generally possible, it's crucial to understand a few key points. Withdrawal fees. Some platforms may charge fees for withdrawals, especially frequent ones. Stashaway's fee structure is transparent, so make sure to review it carefully. Market conditions. If you're withdrawing during a market downturn, you might sell your investments at a loss. It's always wise to consider your investment horizon and risk tolerance. Tax implications. Capital gains taxes may apply when you withdraw your profits. Consult with a financial advisor to understand the tax implications of your withdrawals. Tips for smooth withdrawals. To ensure a smooth withdrawal experience, review your account agreement. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions regarding withdrawals. Initiate withdrawals through the app or website. Stashaway's platforms are usually user-friendly for initiating withdrawals. Allow sufficient processing time. Withdrawals may take a few business days to process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.